how you can get $100 off on your Temu. Now, what I mean by that is there are a lot of deals going on in Temu right now, and the $100 off is also one of them. So let's just jump right into it. Just go to temu.com and make sure that you log in. Now, if you don't log in, just create an account and log in. Now, under the left side corner, you will see the $100 coupon right there. After you tap on it, there will be a spin, there will be a roulette that goes on, and which will always land on the $100. And after it does, you'll just be able to redeem it, and you need to scan to download the app for it, and you'll be able to use the $100 coupon bundle. So yeah, that is pretty much it. And besides that, you also have a lot of deals going on, as you can see, up to 90% off. So don't miss this opportunity, and yeah, save a bunch in shopping, guys. Bye bye.